Hello bakers and welcome back to Pink Lady Bakes. Today we're in the kitchen to talk about 3 quick tips for making banana bread. Alright, so I don't know about you, but I love bananas, but I'm not always the best about using them up before they go bad. I should use bad loosely before they start going a little too brown for my taste, for how I like to eat them. So if your banana looks a little like this, or maybe even a little darker than this, or maybe just kind of black, go ahead, throw it in the freezer. Now, my 2 bananas right here are frozen, hence why you kind of start seeing a shadow to them or frost coming off of them. They're frozen. So go ahead and freeze your bananas. You can freeze your bananas for quite a long time. And since I keep them in the peel, they're already nice and kept. So don't worry about frostbite. So go ahead and freeze your bananas until you're ready to bake some banana bread or any other banana-based dessert. Now, when you're ready to take them out, which is step 2, go ahead and put them on a plate and put them in the microwave. I like to microwave them in 30-second intervals, and then you will go ahead and have a banana that's ready to open up and just put right in. No more mashing up your bananas because they were almost ripe for your banana bread or banana-based dessert. So that's my number 2 tip on how to have a quick and easy bananas for banana bread or banana-based dessert. Now, banana breads. I don't know about you, but either banana breads have too much moisture in it or are too dry. So, quick tip, number 3, cook your banana bread to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, personally for me, I have a meat thermometer that I no longer use for meat, and I've converted it over to my banana bread thermometer. So I have a meat thermometer that I just attach that can go like this, sticks in the banana bread, it's magnetic, so it sticks outside the oven, and put it in, and then it'll set it for the time, and it'll ding me at 120. So I can link that in the description, but even if you just have a regular, set it for the time that it should be cook, that your recipe says it should cook, stick a thermometer in and check to see if it's at or near 120. If it is, go ahead and pull it out at 120, and there you go, perfect banana bread temperature inside. You don't have to worry about is it done or is it not. Then you know guaranteed 120 is a good thing for banana bread. All right, that's tip number 3. Thanks for joining. We'll see you guys again soon. And as always, like and subscribe. Bye all.